Alright, gang, y'all see my phone had died on me when I removed that valve body. So I was trying to look for my magnet. All I could find is this here angle gauge, and it had 7 balls. All the 7 balls were in the spots that look like this. You see how, see that? How that spot is? So this one here, it's not sucking up with the magnet, but it is stuck to my gasket. So this here is a line, holder plate that they put down when they put on this gasket. And they also have alignment bolts. They like go in the corners, I think, to align everything up. So this here we probably could pull off now. And she ready to come up. You see that one check ball still stuck up in there. So that's it, gang. Let me clean that all pan up, put all that stuff up in there. And next we're gonna remove this here servo, pull that pump out, and start disassembling, baby. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, you hear me? Mr. Randall. Y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. You know what it's hitting for. She working. They said support that normally fail. I think it get cracked up. She look like she's working, but I already ordered the billet ones. I think this the 3-4, maybe. And then this one here. It's the 1-2. Spring look nice and clean. Put it right there. I think this the, like they call it, the 1-2 accumulator. It got some suction. You're gonna pull that piston up and just rock it side to side. You see that? We ordered the billet ones. We ordered the billet ones, gang. So we'll go ahead on and set him. I guess we'll set him up in there, right there by that. All right, next, I'm gonna remove this here bracket for this lever. And I think that's gonna conclude this here video. I don't want to put too much on y'all. Let y'all get a full understanding how to break it all the way down to remove the valve body, remove the bell housing, rear tail shaft. And next we're gonna, I'll show y'all the servo and start pulling this here pump out. We gotta take this here pin out to get the band and pull the pump out and stuff. I'll show y'all that. Let me remove this here bracket. And then I'll drop this one here. And then we'll do another video afterwards. We'll put this here in our parts box. See that? Got the 7 check balls up in. I got 8 check balls in there. This here for our plate. I put him in his pan with the valve body. You want to keep your tools and stuff organized. That's what I do like about this little thing that I'm using here. It's nice and solid. I got it locked down, and I got these outside trays where I can put everything I need. Now to get this here lever out of here. Y'all see that nut right there? See that nut? You just gotta unloosen him, slide him back, slide him off of there. And we ought to be able to pull him out of there. So let me get the right size ratchet for that. Maybe we can use this, huh? Maybe, let's see. Let's get the right size wrench. There we go. And we got some, gang. See that? Take the nut off. Oh, you know what? I forgot this part here. We're gonna need a little file. I'm gonna need a little file and hit this edge, because if I try to pull it out, it's gonna open up that hole. So I need a file. Let me get my file. Knock that on. I'm gonna cut you right back on, baby. There we go. So you just wanna keep on going. Keep on going until you get real smooth. Take your leave out of there. I'm gonna put all this here up in that box. I really need to find a magnet. Might run a Harbor Freight tomorrow and get one. And this here is just slide up in there and lay up in that pinhole. Slide in there and lay up in that pinhole. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit. Y'all will see once we going back with everything how she go. We're gonna throw this here right up in our handy dandy parts box. I know y'all thinking, man, he ain't gonna get that shit back together. That nigga tripping. He should have bought him a transmission from J's. Nah, sometimes you gotta invest in yourself and learn this type of stuff. What if they ain't had J's? What if I just wanted to save some money? Now see, now I might be the next J's. I might supply J's. You say, oh, you ain't gonna be J's. I'm looking at this valve body. I mean, they got some little situations going on. Y'all go check out Moomoo and Weeble to get those free stocks. Public too. That's what I was talking about right here, though. See that? Got a little, like right there. I mean, looking at it and how it's designed it, it's probably right, but I definitely won't clean it up, put a little L vacuum or something on it. We'll see. If we don't get it, guess what? We dust ourselves off and try again. But we gonna get it for sure. We're gonna take our time and we're gonna do it the right way. Let it go another little check ball. Right there. And I seen one down here too. See that one down there? I got 8 of them in my box right there, so that's it, man. I don't want to bore y'all, all that talking. I'm holler at you, Mr. Random. Yes, sir. All right, gang. So we're back, and we're working on this servo. I had to do some beating and stuff to unseize it. I think I finally got it unseized. It's going, it was moving. It's going in. I'm still not sure if I could turn it or not. You see how tight it is? But now I gotta get that ring out of there. This here snap ring. So at least I don't have no pressure on it. Shouldn't in there anyway right now. Sound like I heard it. Break free. There we go. I guess this probably a factory bill that was all seized up. Hopefully we can get that out of there now. Thing tight. She's supposed to just be able to go left and right. Let's see what I could do. Ooh, look at that, gang. Bang. Think about how hard this would be if I was under the vehicle. Trying to put it in a Corvette Servo or something. It's going down. Let's try to undo this here. Take the pump out. Maybe I could pop the bang. I wanted to mark this here pump too, so I can put it back. In its original spot. What we got, baby? What we got, huh? We got that pump. Huh? We got that pump, gang? We got that pump or what? You got your gasket? So y'all already know what we gonna do with it. Going straight to here with the pump. Okay. Let's see how we did that. So we just separated it. Then you back up top. You see the pin? That's what hold that band in there. Put the pin right there. Right by that O-ring. Pull this band out of here. The band should be ready to come. Along with all the goodies, baby. Huh? Huh? We getting somewhere now, huh? We getting somewhere now, baby. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. We getting somewhere now. The drum don't look too bad. We gonna put everything just like we taking it off. Let's see. Yeah, I'm clutching door. Got a lot of slack up in there. I really should have had my hole in my table, but I guess I could use it going back. So I just really want to strip it all out right now. So that there was up in here, right? Yeah, you see them gears? That went on the top side of that. So let me put him on there. All these washers and stuff. The bushes look good. This yellow bushing. See yellow bushing? Went right there in a groove. Right like that. Right there. I don't want right there. Get our bang. I guess it ain't too bad. Shit, it was a good transmission. But she out now. Throw the band up in the box. Or I'll put the band up in here. I go out Planetary, baby. What y'all know about that Planetary, huh? Y'all know about that Planetary? And that sunshine? Oh yeah, I forgot we need it. They got an O-ring in there. So I really need to drill a hole or something in this table so I can lay this thing flat and try to get that out of there. And about to mess up the transmission now. Try to get this shit out of here. Shit ridiculous, man. Well, seal and pop. I won't come. That shit was seized up in there big time. Now we can finally remove the goddamn servo. Y'all see. Take that spring too, put them down, put them to the side. Next, I need some ring pliers, some snap ring pliers, and I know I don't have none of those. They got a yellow little ring up in there that we gotta get so we could get the Planetary, that sunshell. But y'all see what it is. This damn thing here gave me the part of my life. So this is section. Yeah, we're gonna need all this. Can't even remember which way it went. It looked like it went like this. Yeah, it did go like that. Yep. So y'all see what it is, man. Once I get that out, try to remove this here harness tonight. I'm gonna have to clean up in here real good and test the little check valve. Make sure we ain't getting no fluid leaking through the case with some mineral oil and some transmission fluid 50/50. Got the sunshell already. Got the billet accumulators. So we rolling, grooving and moving, baby. Y'all stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for stopping in. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what they're here for. But yeah, I need to find me something this big too, so I can drill in the middle of this table. Give me a little squeeze, just squeeze everything in there, and I can stand my transmission straight up and down. Yank the shaft through the table and all that. Get the rust out of there. Clean up the case, all of my parts. Inspect everything, do what we need to do. And we're gonna be back at it, baby. Like ain't nothing ever happened. It's random.